How you doing? In this video, we're creating business cards. Business cards that would suit better the category of the business. Not just any card, but suiting better the category of the business. And that's how you do business cards. So come on. So the first thing I want to do, there you go. Now, the first thing I want to do is just put a solid color. And then I'm going to put Frenchy. Oh, first of all, let me explain what this business is. It's a flower shop. There's the Frenchy is selling flowers on a flower shop, and she's looking for a business card that would say, say, hey, I'm selling flower shop. Not in a playful way, not in a very colorful way, but in a nice way, professionally, but flowers. Yeah. So yeah, Frenchy is the name of the business, and yeah. So we're gonna put Frenchy here. And that's Frenchy. Make sure you align it. So Frenchy doesn't have a logo, so I decided to just use this font right here. Morning Star, that's the name of the font. You see, Morning Star. Right. So we're gonna take Morning Star, we're gonna make him white, and then we're gonna center him nicely, like that. You see, right? So what I want to do here is I want to put a shape from Custom Shapes. I know they have flowers in here. Now remember, Frenchy doesn't have any logo, so we're gonna just make it nice for her, right? Right. So we're gonna use this I'm sorry. We're gonna use these flowers. Just create them. Click Shift to make sure it's in a right measurements, proportions. Remove the stroke of it and put a fill. That's about enough for that, right? And then we could always just duplicate it and then put it under everything, under the Frenchy like that. Take those two layers, bring him down, and then maybe we could color them, right? We could pick a nicer color, we can sample from here, and then we can make it a bit lighter, like that. Does that look good? Right. Now we could add a little more flowers here, a little more this and that, but I don't think we can. I don't think we should too, right? Remember, it's supposed to look, acceptable. It's a flower shop, right? Yeah, don't make it too complicated. So I'll just leave this for now. For now, I'll just leave this front part of the business card. So we can now go to the back part. Let's see what we can do on the back part. Now what I want to do, use ellipses and then make it big. Click Shift, make it big, and then remove the stroke of it, and then color it, get in the artboard, and then put a solid color. The solid color should be that one. Right. Should be that one. Make sure it's below everything. And then we can just import everything necessary, like icons and text and, social media icons, all those necessary things that will be needed, right? And I was thinking I should take these icons, Control T, make them very small like this, and then put them here. For now, let's just put them here. All right. For now, let's just put them here. See what we can do. From the other artboard, click Alt, duplicate this, bring it here. Control T, make this small. All right. Remember, this is the back side now. We don't really need all that fullness of the logo. All right. Frenchy. And I was thinking we should put a gradient in there. How about that? Yes, gradient overlay. And yeah, that's a nice color, except I want to add one more. Just remove it like that and just leave that Frenchy alone. Yeah, leave it alone. Yeah, leave it alone, just for now. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And then right below that, I want to put another text like oh, sorry. Reduce the size. Put something like good fragrance, right? Now, how about we put it about or here or here? There you go. I want to change the font. I don't feel the font. I don't feel this font. Let's make it something, yeah, like that. Make it bold, and then let it go. A little paragraph. Nope. I don't want it. I don't want to put it in there because it's not gonna look how I want it to look. Just a tiny paragraph where she's gonna explain what's going on, right? And then the kerning. There you go. There you go. Now take this paragraph where she's gonna be saying things about the business, whatever. I don't know. That's up to her. Put it over there. And how about we make this whole thing white too? Like, should make everything here white. So we're gonna use the color overlay. And pick the color up to white. I could, let's see, I could put more flowers. How about that? Put more flowers. Kind of like this one. All right. Kind of like this one. And then sort of like boom, like that. Then it's okay. The same color is okay. All right. Make it show up kind of or here. Oh, you see that? I don't blame that. I don't judge that, to be honest. You know, could make it bigger though, right? Right. Could make it bigger like that. I'm gonna reduce the opacity or the fill to make it sort of shadow up like that. There you go. That's right. Then duplicate it. Right over here. Make this one even less visible. 17. 10. There you go. There you go. Duplicate it one more time. Oh, sorry. Quick, duplicate it one more time. There. Okay. Duplicate it one more time. Actually, don't duplicate it. Go find another flower. Like that one. And then put it here. Voila! Look at that. Now that is Frenchy right there. I mean, what do you want me to do? You want me to take this one I'm blaming it on you now. I'm blaming it on you. Like, I'm trying to make this your fault. Like, you want me to do this. I feel like you want me to do this and then align it. Right? I feel like you want me to do this, and then bring it down, bring it under everything. Bring it under everything, like that. I feel like that's what you want me to do. So this would be part 1 of creating business cards. It's part 1. I'm gonna go to about part 6, right? So each would be, actually I'm gonna do 3 on Photoshop and I'm gonna do 3 on Adobe Illustrator, right? And then over to my other channel, FGF-design extra, I'm gonna create 3 business cards using Adobe InDesign, right? Yeah, so that's gonna be 3 from FGF-design extra, and then it's gonna be 6 business cards on this channel. 6 business cards. So 3 using Photoshop, 3 using Adobe Illustrator. Now, if you want to see the part 1 of the Adobe Illustrator business card, there's right there. You see that pop out right there. Look up, look up. See that pop out? Click over there and go watch Adobe Illustrator, because not everyone knows Photoshop. Not everyone loves Photoshop. Some of you love Adobe Illustrator, and I'm also teaching Adobe Illustrator. So go ahead and check that business card on Adobe Illustrator, right? Yes, completely different company, new approach. So this is a flower shop, and let's go ahead and put it on some mock-ups and see how it feels like in real life. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a professional business card specifically for a particular company or business, right? You don't just make a business card and say, there's the business card. No, make it resemble the company, right? That is Frenchy business card. It's a flower shop, right? Right. With that being said, thank you for watching. Put a like, put a share, put a subscription. Share this video on Facebook, everywhere on social media. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, scroll down my channel. I have a lot more videos, more interesting like this. And I will see you just in a scroll.